Have you ever thought about using a projector instead of the grid method for your underdrawings? So have I. So I bought one. The two main things I'll be comparing are the speed and the detail quality. I'm sure the projector will win with speed, but I'm curious to see if I'll have any issues getting details from the image. So let's find out. Now I just need a reference photo. Something preferably with a lot of detail. That should work. Now I need to find a background image, something that looks like maybe I'm falling off of a boat or a cliff or... Actually, this might work. Now I just need to crop myself out and then I'm gonna place it on top of the image so that it sort of looks like I'm falling off the edge. It's super dramatic, but you could just say it's a metaphor for losing love or something, I don't know. Using the grid method has a lot of additional steps that you have to take, including drawing out the grid lines themselves and kind of eyeballing the image to make sure everything is exactly where you want. You also have to take into consideration how far apart you want your grid lines to be. I'm probably gonna have grid lines on this every 2 inches apart at minimum because of the amount of detail. I'm gonna be timing both methods to see how long they take from start to finish. About an hour and a half total for the grid, which not great, especially considering I skipped a lot of details in this just to see how fast I could get it done. If I was really gonna paint this, I would have put pretty much every detail on there. Call it 2 hours probably it would have taken just to get the underdrawing done for a painting that's 24 by 24. That's probably about as good as we're gonna get. Say the setup for that, give or take, was about 5-ish minutes. Full disclosure, I did zero research on how to use this thing. I just turned it on and did a screen share. So I'm sure there's probably a much better way. And I have it resting on some napkins and paper towel to kind of level it out. Anyway, we're here now. Let's get started. Yeah, I'm already done. So, if you were looking for a straight answer, the only place that the grid method wins is none of them. The projector is faster, funner, just about equivalent quality as the grid method. The projector wins, that's it. If you ever wanted to know which was easier, which was better, which was funner, it's the projector. Convenience points alone, an hour and 40-minute difference between the two options for getting just a general underdrawing. That's pretty staggering. That being said, from a quality perspective, I wasn't completely sold on the detail aspect of the projector, which was my initial concern. Probably still easier to just learn how to draw really well and how to do your underdrawings and underpaintings without ever having to draw anything. I'll get there, okay? Just not now.